Welcome. In this video, we'll go over best practices for creating accessible, readable, and user-friendly PowerPoint presentations. Let's dive into key design guidelines that will make your content clear and accessible for all audiences. The Center for Learning Innovation at Illinois Tech developed accessible PowerPoint templates. Select whichever template best suits your course. If you choose to create your own layout or colors, be sure to follow these accessibility principles and guidelines as they apply to any PowerPoint presentation. This presentation utilizes the CLI PowerPoint template, which aligns with accessibility standards. Following these basic principles will ensure your slides look professional and remain easy to navigate. When building your presentation, it's essential to focus on readability, accessibility, and overall usability. This covers 6 critical areas: slide text, layout selection, text box structure, font sizes and color choices, alternative text for images, and proper list formatting. Also, be sure to delete these instructional template slides before finalizing your own deck. First, let's talk about the amount of text on your slides. Remember, slides are not meant to be a full script. Overloading slides with text reduces legibility and distracts your audience. If your content doesn't fit comfortably, simply break it up and move to a new slide. Use keywords, concise phrases, graphics, bold quotes, or even blank space to emphasize main points. And let your voice deliver the full message. Next is layout structure. PowerPoint offers a variety of pre-formatted slide designs within the layout menu. Always choose a built-in layout that matches your specific content needs, rather than creating custom layouts from scratch. When adding content, stick to the pre-existing text boxes provided in the template for titles and body text. This is why it is important to choose a right type of layout from the start. Inserting extra text boxes can disrupt the screen reader's reading order for users with visual disabilities. If you need to fit images or graphics, simply resize the existing text boxes to adjust your spatial layout. Font size and contrast are critical for readability. Built-in slide layouts come with formatted font sizes. But as a rule of thumb, anything smaller than 18-point font is too small to easily read. And never rely only on color to emphasize text. Colorblind viewers may miss the distinction. Instead, combine color with bold, italics, or bold italics for clear emphasis. Always include alternative text, or alt text, for visual elements. If you use AI-generated alt text, review and refine it to ensure it is accurate, specific, and concise. If an image is purely decorative and carries no educational or contextual meaning, mark it as decorative so screen readers can skip it. Finally, let's look at lists. Bullet points should be reserved for unordered items, such as a list of tools or features. Avoid overusing bullet points. Often, standard line spacing between key phrases is cleaner. Use numbered lists strictly when the sequence matters, such as step-by-step instructions or chronological procedures. Thank you for following these best practices to keep your presentation engaging and accessible.